Okay, we're here.
Residents of Marfa, Texas
Hey
say the
guys,
phenomenon
so
simply known as the
today
Marfa ghost
we're gonna
lights
be playing
are
some
occurring
Texas.
at an astounding
And
rate
I
over
don't
the
know if that
last
was
few months.
obvious by
Witnesses report seeing white,
the
fluid,
screen,
red
but
orbs of
yeah, we're
light
gonna be playing some
dangle
Texas.
within.
Alright, let's go. We're here as Connie in the all denim outfit. Ooh, we are right next to a toolbox and a bone scrap right there. You see that? Oh yeah, this is perfect. Hopefully this Leatherface is not mean. Usually on a map like this, I would not play as Connie. That's crazy work, right? Where is the bone scrap? Oh, right here. Hopefully, do you think he'll see me right here? Oh, he's so focused on that noise. Please don't see him. Oh my god, he's seen me. Big bitch. You deserve this one, asshole.
I'm not sure I can make it. I think this is what we
Oh, he's gonna fuck me up, isn't he? Ah! Okay, next game. We're gonna act like that didn't even happen. I would never play Connie on this kind of a map. This is crazy. I wish I was Leland. I would have stabbed him in the back and he would have had no stamina. He would have been stunned for like 10 fucking seconds. Possibilities. Should I try as Julie maybe? Alright, I think I'll do this because this is a very experienced team. I'm gonna be so scared. I'm excited though. I am. I'm so excited. I'm ready for a good challenge. Like, the Family House is one of my favorite maps because of the challenge.
am I? Where's this go?
Oh wow, there goes our one character that could fight for us. Put this down. Wow, Virginia really just died like that on us. This is crazy. Genuinely, I don't know how to feel about that. Oh, this is getting brutal. Is this Blood Moon?
Maria? Oh my god. What did they do to you? Come with me. I'll get you out of here.
Oh my god. I'm literally scared as shit right now. Fuck you, Nancy. I will escape.
That's done. Okay. How do we get out of here? Hide. I can do this.
Oh my god! They gangbanged me! They gangbanged me! I'm sick. And my heart hurts so bad because my heart was beating so... You guys hear it? If you guys don't hear my heart beating like a bullshit going on, oh, I have fun. That's the main, that's as long, I feel like I come off of a roller coaster ride every single time I'm done playing this game. And I love it. I'm shaking. Well, no, I'm not. But I was. And that was fun. All right, we're here as Leland in his Chucky outfit. I call it a Chucky outfit. Honestly, you better be glad that his sleeves aren't colorful. We have a Leatherface. We do. We have a Leatherface and a Johnny. Oh my god. And a hitchhiker. I'll be a good Samaritan and unlock at least one basement door. I'll be having to hit that pause real quick, make them think I'm just running around in the basement. But no, I'm at the door. You won't see that though. Oh! Oh my god, it's not funny. Are you serious? Oh my god! Ain't no way. I am feeling like I'm being antagonized right now. There's no fucking way I just died in less than a fucking minute. I know it was less than a minute because I tried to do my ability on him. And it was not fully loaded in. Okay, so we're going to be playing as Anna. We're going to be playing as Anna. Alright, we're here as Anna in her denim. In her denim. I love her denim. It's so cute. It's so cute.
I'm here, Julie.
You know what?
Oh, thank God I
I
found
need
you.
actually maybe phone scrap. There we go. I don't know how everyone else wants to play. Like me personally, I really don't care actually. Yeah, I don't care. It feels like this eyelash on me. I'll get a toolbox. Cute Johnny coming downstairs. There's no Johnny in the game, but Johnny is like literally like somebody. Oh my god, does Susie just disconnect? How rude. Okay, I'm gonna unlock this because why not? I feel like this match is going to be easier than anticipated. And there is a cook in the game, so... Ooh, yeah, he's upstairs. He's doing his thing. Okay, I'll get the fuse.
Oh, good. I should see what that is.
Yeah, I just have to find where the fuse box is. It's not up here. It is up there. Oh shit, okay. This should be an easier game than I expected. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not even gonna escape from the fuse, but it's a good little distraction. Hopefully it's a toolbox on the other side of this door. Okay, Cook is definitely up here. So I just have to...
Too dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
This looks like some kind of lockpick. Thank God.
Just get back here.
Oh, he's downstairs now? Why did I think he came upstairs? Maybe he knocked Julie back down, that's why.
There's gotta be
Excuse
someone
me,
I
ma'am.
can use around here.
Oh, that was on accident. Okay. The hell? There we go. I was like, wait, I definitely picked up that
Thank
green
you,
for a
Jesus.
reason.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's go down. You have a bones in the game. I'm gonna go ahead and get another tool. But I'm gonna kick out the generator because I'm
Okay,
sure Julie
stay
might
calm.
be
You
almost
can
done
use
with
this.
that.
Locks, maybe.
I swear I'm not messing with Grandpa. I swear I'm not.
Thank you.
It did still reach me. Holy shit, that's so good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not mad at that. Oh, Cook heard my ass, huh? Oh, wow. That knocked off a lot of health for me. Those bombs are really strong. He must have crafted them. Let's see if we can unlock this. Ah! Oh.
Did they see me?
I don't know. They were all after him, too. Run down the well. I gotta take this health bottle, okay? That shit, he was about to knock me. Oh! He's still trying to knock me out, huh?
Please help me.
Go ahead, do it.
So I can make it.
I'm gonna heal up in front of you, and I'm gonna get another bone scrap on your ass, because you know what? You really just pissed me off following me down here like this. Crazy as hell, ain't you? What, you gonna come back over here? Come over here. I want you to.
Y'all about to see my serious side.
It's not great, but it's something.
Dude, give it a break, why don't ya?
Oh, thank God.
Ooh,
This will help
this
the
will
pain.
help pain. Okay, let me pick that
Stay
back
away
up.
from me.
Ooh, health bottle again, and it's a perfect amount to
Wait.
fill
What's
me
that?
all the way. So,
We sure are hungry. Grill them bones. Gonna lick your brains.
okay, where are they escaping from now? Turned off the battery too? Oh, that's lovely. See if we can kick this out again. Let's see what they got going on up here. I think they escaped from up here. Hey,
Please,
Leland.
God, help me.
Ooh, yes, that gate is wide open.
Thank you, God.
Ugh.
I'm okay.
Okay, yes, yes. Oh my god. These people. Oh, well, I think she. Oh no. That was a new person.
Why are you doing this?
Come
to me?
on. Let's
Please
go.
stop.
I didn't even get to use my ability. Aww. Alright. We're back as Anna, and we're back and we're better. New jeans. New jeans.
There's gotta
No.
be
We got the minimum though. Leatherface is a level 10. Oh, he's still cranking that up 3 times though.
human. Don't even think about it, Anna. Just stay calm.
Cut these down. Okay, he's
Can I
gone.
get through there?
Woo! I almost just gave away my little position, didn't I? Like, really just did all that stuff for no reason, huh?
Oh,
Okay, I can go right here.
shortcut.
He has to chop down the barricade if he wants to get to me quicker. And if he goes around, I'll hear it. So, that's great. I think he's going around, I'm not gonna lie. I hear him, yeah, to my left right now. He's probably back at, like, garden area. Yeah, he was trying to come around on my ass. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Let me see.
I might be able to break those locks now.
Ooh, fuse box. Huh? What? Of course. Hello. I love a good fuse play. I'll open that up. I'll probably just kick out the generator. I think the other 2 players, well, Hans, I don't think Hans is new. Like, I know he's a level 0, but there's no way he's new. Alright. I'm gonna get this pressure valve handle. I'll go ahead and try and get the pressure valve. What is over here? Ooh, they're so lucky the fuse isn't right here. Ooh, that would have been a really fucked up game, wouldn't it be? Let's see if you can find a fuse. I have a fuse right here, baby. This bitch done ran in front of a chicken. In front of me, ho. Oh, that bitch. He's Julie. Oh, he does not see me. Okay. I'm kind of feeling bad for them right now. Just a little bit, you know. Oh, wow. I am so sucky at math. I just kind of moved them around until they work.
Thank you.
So.
I should see what that is.
Where's my Virginia?
You're alive.
I'll let him get the kill, honestly. I done did all this. Ah.
I should hang on to this. It's sharp.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get her done. Hold on.
I lost him.
Hold on.
Please, God, help me. I feel like we can get through this.
Come on, stab him in the back. Oh, he got me! All because I couldn't get the backstab off on him. At least I helped everybody else escape. But, yeah, I was gonna let him kill me. I said that earlier, but that was actually very much an accident of dying. I was trying to unlock the gate for Virginia specifically. But I deserved it. That was fun though. I love a good game.